In this video, you will learn about the Messages function in Wilma. At the upper edge of the Start page, go to Messages. Here, you can see the messages you have received. You can view the content of the message by clicking on its title. You can reply to a message by selecting Reply Options and Reply to Sender. If you would like to send a new message, select Compose New Message on the right-hand side of the Message section. Type a subject line for your message, select the recipients, and click on Send. You can also save the message as a draft if you wish to continue writing it later.